AI, the ability of a machine or a computer to think and reason like a human being. And AI has been on a rise for the last 3 years, and there are so many AI programs, so many of them, and most people know ChatGPT, which is owned by OpenAI, and Meta AI, because actually majority of you guys know Meta AI because it's compatible with WhatsApp, it's compatible with Messenger. Yeah, but then to me, there are better AIs. For example, there is what we call Perplexity. There is what we call ChatGPT. There is what we call DeepSeek. There is what we call this one. This one owned by Microsoft. It is called a Copilot. There is what we call Cloud. So there are many AI programs, but the most popular one is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is able to do a lot of work, a lot of tasks that humans would rather have done, because most of us have used AI to enhance our productivity. Because personally, I use it to do data analysis. Then I use it to, mostly for data analysis. Whenever I have a lot of data and I want AI to simplify that data, examine that data, and analyze it, that is where I mostly apply artificial intelligence. But for your information, you can even use ChatGPT to do graphic design. Yes, and it is becoming very, very good. I'm sure you guys have seen those cartoon videos, the baby kasukus. So all that is AI. But the whole question is, how can you benefit from AI? Or how can you use it to your benefit? How can you actually make money from AI? And many people do not know how to use AI. They simply put just random information, and in the end they end up getting output that sounds rather robotic. You read something and you actually feel it was written by a robot. Yeah, there is a lot of nonsense on WhatsApp. There's a lot of nonsense on social media. Nonsense that was written by AI. So, how can you actually make AI sound better, and how can you make money from it? First of all, you need to learn the skill of prompt engineering. You need to know how to work with prompts. When you learn the skill of prompt engineering, you'll be able to know how to use AI well, and you also know how to make some money out of it. For example, you can work as a prompt engineer. You can create content using AI. You can create blog content. You can monetize websites using AI. You can create graphics using AI. So since AI is on the rise, and the question is, are you advancing with the technology? Because the world is advancing in science and technology. My question is, are you advancing with it? Are you using AI to full potential? Are you making some money from AI? Because AI is being applied almost in every field. Even in radio production, we have already started using AI. For example, using AI, I can be able to create a radio program, a full radio program using AI. But of course here I'm live, so this is not AI. I'm just recording this thing very live. But then AI is being applied everywhere. And Bill Gates recently predicted that in the next 10 years, AI will even replace doctors. Can you imagine? So the question is, are you advancing with technology? Or you are just using it to create content for politicians here and there? Yeah, because I have friends who use AI to PR articles for politicians, which is also okay, but are you using AI to its full potential? Mm? Because most of the work that is currently being done by secretaries, I believe AI is gonna replace a lot of people. Because personally, at office, mm, I personally know how to use AI to its full capacity, and maybe I want to do proofreading, I want to do this, and that. I can use it to create content for me, to edit things here and there, and now you see it is able to even create some graphics. So that is where the world is heading to, and you guys, you don't need to be left out, right? Yes. Recently, I think it was last week, Microsoft fired over 700 employees and replaced them with AI. Can you imagine it? So AI is already taking jobs of people. And for us web designers, yes, AI is here for us. It is already also taking our jobs, because you can even use AI to create websites. Yes, there's what we call vibe coding. You can use AI to create mobile applications. Yeah, that's true. And you guys, if you want a video of me, for example, creating a website using AI, I can create it for you guys. If you want a video of me creating an application using I can also do it. So I'm showing you that AI is here to stay, and the earlier you advance with it, the better. Hmm? So my question is, are you advancing with artificial intelligence, or you are just used to this WhatsApp Meta AI? Actually, in my opinion, Meta AI is the worst AI I have ever seen. Yes, it's the worst. I've used so many, Perplexity, I've used Cloud, I've used this one, Copilot. There's so many, and I find Meta to be one of the worst AIs. Yeah. So, what program would I actually recommend? I would recommend ChatGPT for beginners. Yes, it is good, and it is also free, very free. And actually, most of the features that are available for pro users are also available on the free mode of ChatGPT. So, no excuse is good enough. So, I'm going to leave you a question. Yes, the world is advancing with science and technology. Are you advancing with the world? Thank you for watching this. I'll be back with another session.